is Giana Valerano Siwa with NIM number 4242301088.
My name is Muhammad Alfarian Azhar, NIM 4242301090.
My name is Umar Fazri, 4242301091.
My name is Delon Solomositaurus and my name 4242301092.
My name is Google Tom with student number is 4040301083.
Here we will make a video that contains the following. My reason for choosing: 1. Because of my interest in the electrical file. 2. Because of the board job prospect. 3. Being able to contribute to society. 4. Because in my previous college I also took electrical engineering, so in the current college I continue it.
My reason for choosing: 1. Because of personal desire. 2. Learning that is in accordance with learning while at school. 3. Want to find out more about this study program. 4. Want to get a job from reasons that are in accordance with this study program.
The reason why I chose the electronic engineering technology study program is because of the relevant and industry-centered curriculum, focus on the practical learning, competent and experienced leader, supporting learning environment.
I choose the electronic engineering technology program because I am interested in technology and want to gain practical skills along with theoretical knowledge in electronic. Additionally, this program offers broad job opportunity and supportive learning facility.
The reason why I chose electronic engineering is: 1. Because shaping future teach. 2. Real world impact. 3. Intellectual challenge. 4. Broad career prospect.
In electrical engineering, I learned how to use electrical tools and solve problems in electricity.
What I learned in this electronic engineering program is how to measure components correctly and determine the value of the components.
What I study in electrical engineering is electrical and electronic circuit, microcontroller and embedded system, digital system, managing digital and analog device system.
Number 1, basic of analog and digital circuit. Number 2, microcontroller and embedded system. Number 3, power electronic and PLC.
What I learned in electronic engineering: first is I learned how to solder. Second, I learned how to measure current and voltage. Third, I learned how to make sensor. And fourth, I learned how to assemble electronic components, for example, resistor, capacitors, and others.
The title of my PBL is the development of an IT-based homeschooling learning environment monitoring system with adaptive light and noise sensor. What are we doing on this PBL? In this PBL, we development an IoT-based homeschooling learning environment monitoring system with adaptive light and noise sensor. Before that, what is meant by developing an IoT-based homeschooling learning environment monitoring system with adaptive light and noise sensor? So, this is a tool that can monitoring a person learning environment, whether the learning environment is noisy, dark, and whether the person is actually studying or not. So, we will know whether the person is studying comfortable or not. And parents can also monitoring their children whether the children are really studying or not. We can see this dark web that we will create and we can monitoring it continuously. And we will implement IoT in this project so that we can monitoring remotely anytime and anywhere we want.
What is the purpose of making this tool? This project aims to design and develop a sleep quality monitoring system with the ability to detect breathing disorders, such as sleep apnea. This system uses a microcontroller to collect and process data from various sensors that measure parameters related to study comfort, such as the comfort of the study light, the effective time is to study, and the position of the body while study. The system can also be monitored by parents whether their child is really studying or not through the camera. Attached to the ESP32 microcontroller with cam. So if the child is not really studying, then there will be an alarm that will sound. And also parents can turn off the study lamp on the child's desk.
I'm Muhammad Alfarid Azhar, and
Diana Valeron.
here we play a role in the electrical part. The electrical function is in this project is to run the PBL project that has been made. For example, to run PBL circuit, for example, sensor to get data on the web.
Our job desk is to make block diagram, flowchart, electrical diagram, simulate and assemble component.
I'm Mazrul Fazri and
Abdul Tom.
played a role in the mechanical section. The mechanic aspect is where components are applied of plates into an enclosure for the device being created.
And my role in mechanics was to assemble the already connected components so they become one unified piece.
My name Delon. My role in project-based learning is to create a website. The web system function as a user interface designed to monitor the learning environment condition, including lighting and noise levels. It display sensor data in real time and provide alert or notification when the conditions are not ideal. Additionally, it allows manual control of the adaptive lighting whenever necessary. This web system monitor and control the homeschooling learning environment in real time using data from light and noise sensors sent by an IoT device, ESP32. It displays the data through graph and indicator and manage adaptive lighting automatically or manually, built with Python and front-end technology like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The web interface is responsive, allowing users to easily access and manage the system from various devices.
This is the building that usually used for learning.
So this is class 401. We usually this room for daily class. There are several facilities for tools and components obtained we become an electrical engineer student. I will explain about jumper cable and breadboard. Jumper cable serves to connect the component on the breadboard, this and this. And breadboard serves as place to put electronic component and are tested without the need to solder.
There are several facilities that will be obtained when becoming an electrical student. Here I get several components such as potentiometer, resistor, transistor, and many more.
Oscilloscope is an electronic measuring instrument as the analysis and display the waveform of electrical signal in the time domain.
Power supply function to provide stable and safe electrical voltage for electronic circuit, support testing and development of component. and facilitate hands-on practice and experimentation for students.
Next is analog multimeter. An analog multimeter is used to measure current and voltage.
The job prospects that I can take after graduation are electricity and energy industry. Position of electrician for system engineer, which has that is managing industrial electrical system, power generation and energy distribution.
Possible job opportunity after graduation from electronic engineering or automotive engineering. Work on electrical system in vehicles, including power management, safety system, and infotainment.
Manufacturing engineering, design and optimizing manufacturing process for electrical and electronic product.
Graduate of electronic engineering technology can work as electronic technician.
Electronics engineer, designing and developing electronic circuits and components use a wide range of applications from consumer electronics to medical devices. That's all we can say. If there is a word error, please apologize.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.